In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a dynamic navbar that seamlessly changes color as you scroll down the page in Webflow. This effect not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your site, but also improves usability, keeping your navigation visible and stylish. Let's dive right in. To start, open up your Webflow project and head over to the designer view. Begin by selecting your navbar element which you want to animate. Once you have your navbar element selected, navigate to the Style panel on the right side of the screen. Here, we're going to set its initial background color to transparent. This will ensure that your navbar seamlessly blends with the page content when the user lands on your site. Now, it's crucial to make sure that the navbar's position is set to fixed. This setting ensures that your navbar will stay at the top of the viewport, no matter how far down the user scrolls on the page. Next, we're going to create a scroll interaction for your navbar. To do this, move over to the Interactions panel, which is represented by the lightning bolt icon. Once you're in, add a new page trigger. From the drop-down menu that appears, select While Page is Scrolling. What we're doing here is telling Webflow that we want something to happen while the viewer scrolls through the page, and that something is an animation. Now let's add an animation to our interaction. Within the Action section, look for the option that says Play Scroll Animation, and go ahead and click the plus sign to create a new scroll animation. Give it a descriptive name that makes sense to you, like Navbar Color Change or something similar. Once named, select your navbar element in the animation settings. Now, you want to add a new scroll action. Choose the background color option. We're essentially specifying what will happen at various scroll points. At 0% scroll, set the background color to its initial transparent state. Then decide a scroll percentage when you'd like the navbar to have its solid color, like 5% or 10%. Set this second color to whatever solid shade works best for your design, perhaps white, black, or a color that fits well with your branding. This percentage controls when the full color change will occur, so you can tweak this based on how dramatic or subtle you want the transition to be. For some finishing touches, let's fine-tune. Adjust those scroll percentages to your liking to have precise control over when the color change begins and ends. Consider adding easing to the animation for a smoother transition, creating a polished and professional effect. We're almost there. It's always wise to preview your changes in Webflow before going live. This allows you to see the effect in action, ensuring everything looks just as you imagined. Once satisfied, hit publish to make the changes live on your site. And there we go. You've successfully created an interactive, color-changing navbar in Webflow.